We believe the power of collective action, and our captains are here just to take out important missions of cleaning the Al Qudra lake, and this is part of our HLB Communities Day.
Today, not only for us, people across the borders are came together for one purpose, to help the community and be part of that.
This year, HLB HAMT has joined hands with the Dubai Municipality for a project called An Hour with Dubai Municipality Engineers. So this is a project to promote the sustainability in the Dubai and the UAE altogether. So HLB HAMT heroes are proud to participate along with the Dubai Municipality to contribute for this particular project.
So this initiative not only shares a shared purpose, but also cultivates spirit of unity for communities and people for a better impact.
One network,
One shared purpose.
One global commitment.